we got the same picture here. We're going to shoot through these because these are going to be less important. All right, but we're going to want to know, have an idea of what they are. So in addition to a line segment, which you saw in the last video, there's a line. All right, a line has no endpoints. So a line has no endpoints, goes on forever in both directions, and its symbol looks like this. All right, line AB. Okay, AB are not endpoints because it doesn't have endpoints. They're just points that are on the line anyplace. Okay, ray. All right, a ray looks like it's half of a line. It's not really half of a line because you can't measure it. All right, but it has one endpoint. It goes on forever in one direction, and its symbol looks like that right there. So line segment AB, or sorry, ray AB, meaning it starts at A, travels to B. But again, not super important. As long as we can look at it, see that that's a ray, we're not going to need to know anything else about it. Opposite rays, this is, again, something that's in geometry. We don't really use it for anything in what we do. So opposite rays are two rays that share a common endpoint, and they travel in opposite directions. All right, but again, not super important. I'm not really concerned about it. Plane, other thing that if we were really, really getting into geometry deeply, this is something that'd be important. We will probably never talk about a plane ever. Maybe a little bit in three-dimensional geometry later in the year, but a plane is a flat surface that extends in all directions. All right, it doesn't have any sides, any ends. It's basically if you stood in the middle of the ocean, you can't stand in the middle of the ocean, but if you're in the middle of the ocean and you looked and there was just water in all directions and it just went on and on forever, that's what a plane looks like. All right, everything that we talk about is in a plane, but we don't really worry about it. I've never ever seen any question that asks you anything about a plane. So everything in this video, it's nice to know, but it's not going to be anything that you're going to get quizzed or tested on.